Welcome everybody with a Philips product here that I bought for myself, since I'm equipping my whole studio with hue, or this whole room. You can see in here the light strip dangling around in the last few videos, and we have a few of these lights also in the room. Since they're really cheap now, for around 50 to 60 bucks you can already buy the Bloom now, which was originally 120, 130 bucks the first when it came to market. So what you have here is a 10 watt LED light that you can adjust with a little remote like this to show you different colors. Now if you don't want to use the remote, you want to use the Philips Hue app. This also works if you have the Philips Hue bridge. You can just type in the number of this little product into the app, and then it will be in your Hue ecosystem, and you cannot use this little guy anymore. That's a little bit sad, because it would be quite nice a few times to just set different lights here with this simple thing like this, but actually you can also buy a little dimmer and switcher here for the Philips Hue for 25 bucks, where you can turn the lights off, turn the lights on, and dim them also after you set up one kind of color. So first let's take a look at what's inside the box of this nice Living Colors Bloom. There's also different designs available. This, for example, also available in black. It won't be see-through then, looks also quite nice and stylish, and it's also available as a different design. It's called then the Philips Iris, or actually maybe this is the Iris and the other one is the Bloom. I always mix them up. But anyhow, 210 lumen, it's not too bright, but you will see in a second how it looks like and how it works. So once you open up the box, you will see that you have right away here a note. Originally there is a protection foil on it. You can see it here, you can take it off. So I have now two remotes, since I have another light already here. Then you have for the remote your AAA batteries here, two by Philips, and then you have the light itself, which has the cord dangling here on it. Actually, usually there's a foil on the light also. I just didn't, or I just already took it out before this video. And then there is some reading material for your Living Colors Iris light. So here you have some warranty guide, which is not that interesting. And then we have also a nice little poster where you can see the different settings, because there's quite a few here that you could use with the remote. So you can change the colors, you can switch the colors to switch from one color to another, and so on and so on. So there's quite a few options if you want to use the remote only. That's quite nice. And I think when you buy multiple of these and you have one remote in the room, one remote will control all of them, because I think they work all on the same frequency. So you can see the beautiful design here with this back panel that's obviously plastic. Then you have here in the middle Philips logo, but it doesn't say anything else. And then you have here your little power adapter, which has a 6-foot long cable. And as I said before, this is a 10 watt lamp, so that's how much it should need. It says it actually here on the back. Also, we can also see that it's a 24 volt voltage. So the way to put it down is here. There's a little part where you can put it down on the table like this, so it will always stay or low a little bit to the side, which is quite nice. I used to use these here in the corner behind the TV. It looks quite nice. I can plug it in for you. Now once you plug it in, you will see it will only light in one color. So this is the standard color it will turn on. That's I think some kind of a pink white. Let me just put it down here, and I have another one here. I can show you guys, so I can put that one also right here. And now, as I said before, we can dim it up on top here, and you can set different settings here, and you have two different color variables that you can set up here on the bottom. Also, you can just turn this around, going left and right, and then the colors should change. Obviously, it's not doing it right now, and here's the on and the off switch, which, as I said, also is not working right now, since I once registered it to my Hue system. How do you do that? There's a little paper on the cable here, somewhere right here, and there is a 8-digit number, and not just number but also letter code that you can type in your app. So to turn them on and off, you just press, for example, here, then let me show it you that you also see this light maybe a little bit. So to turn it off, just press this button, then the whole room gets a little bit darker since there's more lamps. Then I turn it on again, and you can also dim it right here, so I can turn it down a little bit and turn it even more up. So it's a quite nice just little add-on to the Hue family if you want to buy it for the Hue family. Otherwise you buy one or two of these and just place them in a room strategically for 50 to 60 bucks and you will get a really nice feeling, but you should definitely make sure that they are pointing at a wall, since then you get the best effect. So thank you much for tuning in. This is also one of the Christmas gift ideas you can definitely try to give parents, grandparents, or even your girlfriend. Thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balázs and this was the Philips Living Color series with the Iris, but there's, as I said, more devices available. Just check them out on Amazon in the link below.